Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility quickly. Check your age, income slab, and whether this is your first home. Once confirmed, gather ID, income proofs, property details, and the bank's loan sanction letter so you have every document ready. Next, create or verify your government ID login and a working email. You will need these for authentication and OTPs. Make sure scanned documents are clear PDFs. This first push saves time later and prevents form rejections during submission. You log into the Subsidy portal using your verified ID and an OTP. This authenticates your session. Then enter borrower details, property specifics, and the sanction loan amount. Double-check numeric fields to avoid mismatches. Once done, upload the required PDFs in the specified size and format, and input your bank account and IFSC for subsidy credit. Make sure to save the draft frequently. If the portal times out, you won't lose progress. Use the preview function to verify every entry before submission. You submit the completed application and immediately note the reference ID. Download the acknowledgement for your records. After submission, track the application status on the portal and respond promptly to any verifier queries to avoid delays. Once approved, the subsidy posts to your loan account or bank. Make sure to confirm with your lender. If something goes wrong, like a rejected document, contact portal support via chat or email, correct and reupload files, and resubmit using the same reference ID to maintain continuity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.